Today I'm going to talk about the newest feature introduced in the 26.2 update, which is the ability to generate a software installer script. This is meant as a complement to the Software Vulnerabilities tab that we released a little while ago, and gives partners another tool that they can use inside the Cork platform to potentially remediate some of those software vulnerabilities that have surfaced. First thing I will do is come over to the Clients tab on the left-hand side. I will scroll down to any one of my clients that has an active endpoint associated with it, and then I will scroll down to the very bottom here where I get to the software vulnerabilities. The first thing I'm actually going to do is click on the device name here, which then shows me all of the software that's on this machine that has vulnerabilities associated with it. So I'm going to focus on Edge Chromium here at the top because that actually has the highest priority. So I'll go ahead and click into there. And now that I'm on this page, I'm going to go ahead and click Generate Installer Script in the top left. This will then bring up a window on the right-hand side where it allows me to choose my package manager of choice. I'm going to go with Winget in this particular case. And you'll notice that it automatically fills out the publisher name as well as the product name. Occasionally, the product name is not 100% accurate, so we'll want to go ahead and modify this field so that it matches up with what we're trying to patch. There it is at the very top here. I'll click this, and it will generate both a batch file and a PowerShell script that I can then execute. Clicking into either the batch file or the PowerShell script will give me additional options, such as choosing the version of software that I want, as well as the scope of the installer script, either machine or user from here. And once I've made those choices, I want to go ahead and click Download Installer, and that will go ahead and download both the batch file and the PowerShell script to your desktop. From there, you can actually modify the files further if you want to for deployment through your RMM tool. Now, one of the cool things about this particular feature is that you don't necessarily have to use it to patch this specific software. You can use it to generate an installer script to install a software of your choosing if you would like to. You would simply go back to the package manager directly and enter a different publisher or a different name for that, and you will get the same options available to you. We hope you find this new feature useful for maintaining the security posture across your environments. As always, if you have any feedback that you would like to relay to us, please do so. We are always looking for improvements that we can make to the platform so that we can better serve our partners. Thank you.